Welcome to Kids Bible Study, Jesus Lab edition. My name is Miss Regine and welcome to the lab. I want you to grab your kit for today and let's get started. Okay, you want to make sure to open your kit, and inside your kit, of course, you'll have your workbook, and right under your workbook, you should have a bag that you can use to put on the table so that you can make sure to protect your table when we're doing the science experiments. And then you want to grab from your box our science kit number 1. I'm going to grab science kit number 1. Make sure to open your bag and protect your table, especially for this experiment since we're using food coloring. In your science kit number 1 bag, you have 3 cups, cup number 1, cup number 2, cup number 3. You also have 2 food colorings, one that says color number 1 and one that says color number 2. You should also have 2 pieces of cotton, as well as our adhesive stickers. Something that's not part of your kit, but you'll need, ask your parents for help in getting some water. Okay, our first step is to take cup number 1 and to fill it halfway with water. And look for your food coloring that says color number 1, and you want to add 4 drops of color number 1 to cup number 1. Now, I want you to take the second cup, look for your food coloring that's marked as color 2, and simply put 4 drops in cup number 2. Put your caps on and move your food coloring over to the side. In the remaining water, I want you to take both pieces of your cotton and place them into your water and leave them there for 10 seconds until the water has soaked through the cotton string. After 10 seconds, I want you to just grab one of your strings, go ahead and press the extra water out of your cotton string. And then you're going to take one of your adhesive strips. This is a double side adhesive strip. And I want you to tape your cotton to the one side. Then you're going to remove the tape from the back side and apply your tape to the side of cup number 1. When you're done, you should have something that looks like this. Your cotton is taped to the side of the cup. You grab another one of your adhesives, go to cup number 2, and I want you to add the adhesive to the side of cup number 2. Just adding it to the side of cup number 2 that has your 4 drops of food coloring. Same thing, you want to make sure to go and remove the adhesive from the other side of the tape. And now you're going to connect the cotton from cup number 1 to the tape inside cup number 2. You want to grab the third piece of your adhesive off, the shiny tape side. You're going to put it on the other side of cup number 2. Again, you want to remove the adhesive. And then you grab your last piece of cotton string, remove the excess water, and tape it to the second side of cup number 2. Grab your last piece of adhesive and add the cotton to cup number 3. You have something that looks like this, and now you're ready to get started with our experiment. First, we're going to hold cup number 1 along the cotton string, just like this, and we're going to begin to pour the water along the cotton. You should see your cotton begin to turn the same color as the water in cup number 1 as it's pouring into cup number 2. And my cup number 1 is empty. Now, I want you to try pouring the water from cup number 2 into cup number 3 without moving cup number 1. Can you do it? Are you able to pour the water from cup number 2 to cup number 3 without moving cup number 1? I want you to stop for a moment and answer that question in your workbook. Now, let's place cup number 3 in the middle of the table. We're going to lift both cup number 1 and cup number 2 at the same time. Holding both cup number 1 and cup number 2 in our hands, let's see if we can now pour the water from cup number 2 into cup number 3. If I hold both of them in my hands, then look what happens. I can get the water into cup number 3. That's it for our science experiment. For information on why the science in this experiment works, be sure to check out the science behind the experiment page at the end of this lesson in your workbook. What does this experiment teach us about God? Well, check out the video teaching for this lesson, Transformed by Love.